All right, welcome back to this video. Okay, so we have successfully removed the background and we have refined the next thing we want to do is we want to change the color of the model's clothes. Okay, we want to learn how to change the model's clothes color. Okay, so first off, I don't need these two elements again, so all I just have to do is select these two and delete like this. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to zoom in and then select the model's clothes. You can remember how I taught you how to remove the models clothes. All you just have to do is use your pen tool and select round. But this time around, you don't have to trace each edges like the way, because you have already removed these edges already. So what you just have to do is zoom in like this. Use your with your pen tool, just trace like this. You want to remove the model's face out of the equation entirely. Okay. Notice you see that there is a neck here. So what we need is just the cloth, so you have to trace the neck out also. Just make sure you are selecting only the cloth. Okay, so make sure you are not selecting any of the part of the ear, just select out the ear. And then once you are done with that, just follow my procedure right like this. Just follow it like this, just cover it round and then make sure you close it at this edge. After you are done with that, click on Ctrl plus enter on your keyboard. Just Ctrl enter like that. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to hit on Ctrl J on your keyboard. Okay, once you hit on Ctrl J on your keyboard, you see that it has duplicated the part you have selected. Let's go over it again. After selecting round with your pen tool, you want to click on Ctrl enter right. After clicking on Ctrl plus enter, you want to click on Ctrl J on your keyboard. Okay, the letter J, Ctrl plus the letter J on your keyboard. You see that your layers has become two, right? One with the full picture and the other one with just the clothes you have selected. But you notice that these hands are still part of the design, sorry, part of the image, and we need only the clothes. So what do we do? One way we can do this is by using our pen tool. Okay, can just use our pen tool like this, select the hand. Just use your pen tool like this. Make sure you are patient with it. I know you are eager to like get into it and dive into the course, but these are the essential things you need to know before we can proceed with the course. And some of you might have known all this before, so it's just an added knowledge to you. Okay, after doing that, you've selected the first hand. You don't have to select the second hand yet. So what you want to do is, okay, you can select the second hand also. You can select the second hand also. Okay, let's select the second hand. As you can see, I'm the time is 1 a.m. at my place right now. So I'm recording this tutorial in the middle of the night so that we can have a calm environment. Make sure you take your time with this. That's why it's a tutorial. You have to like follow everything. One mistake we usually make as graphic designer is we always want to go into the practical, go into the design, go into it by neglecting the basics, which will later come to haunt us. Okay, so we have selected this tool. All you just have to do is click on Control Enter and then delete. So you have automatically deleted the hands from the model script. Okay, so but it's not totally deleted because this layer is just the clothes. You can change the name. All you just have to do is double click right here. Make sure you are double clicking on the text which says layer 1 and you can rename it to clothes. While you can double click on the layer text here and change it to the full model. Okay, so you see that once you turn on full model, it shows the whole model face. While once you turn the home model, it shows only the clothes. Okay, so that's the first step. We have removed the background. What do you want to do? You want to change the color of the model's clothes. Okay, the first procedure to that is you want to create a solid color layer. You want to come to this, create new adjustment layer. Okay, then you want to click on solid color. After doing that, you want to select your color. Let's say you want to change it to a blue. When you select your color, you can see your color at right here. You can change it. Okay, let's use lemon green and click on OK. So the next thing you want to do is you want to right click on this layer right here. Once you right click on it, you want to click on create clipping mask. So once you click on that, you see that it has clipped your color to the clothes. You see that it's only the clothes that is showing the lemon green, but it's not yet perfect, right? The next thing you want to do is make sure you are selecting this layer, this lemon green layer. Then you want to come to your blending option, this blending option, and then you want to select color. You see, it's as simple as that. Some of the colors might need change adjustment, but as you can see, this one does not need adjustment. So by selecting color, you see that it has changed the color from red to green. So you can easily toggle it off and on like this. What if I want to like change the whole feel of the color? I want it more brighter, or maybe I want to change anything about it. All I just have to do is come to same adjustment layer right here and then click on brightness or contrast. Then I would clip it also, create clipping mask. Then you can increase the contrast, you can reduce the contrast. Make sure you are clipping it. You can increase the brightness, it changes the brightness. You can reduce the brightness depending on what you want. And that's the basic things you need to know about it. So that's basically how you can change your model's clothes. And I'll see you in the next video.